Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can watch WWE live matches on your iPhone in a very simple and easy way. So if you don't want to miss any WWE action, make sure to watch this video till the end. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, go to your App Store on your iPhone. In the search bar, type Netflix and search for it. Now make sure your Netflix app is updated to the latest version. If it is not updated, simply click on the Update button or download it again. Once the app is installed or updated, open it. Now you need to sign in with your Netflix account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one and choose a subscription plan because Netflix is a paid service. After logging in successfully, go to the search bar inside Netflix and type WWE. Now you will see WWE-related content, including live events, highlights, and available shows depending on your region and subscription plan. Simply click on the match or live event you want to watch, and it will start playing instantly. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for smooth streaming without buffering. And that's it, guys. This is how you can easily watch WWE live matches on your iPhone using Netflix. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.